today. We're cleaning up, getting the 180 ready. It's off with paint tomorrow. Kang pulled out the whatever seats they are, the nasty seats. Got to put some buckets or the R33 seats in and just cleaning up the dash, all the wires. I'm going to put in a digital temp sensor and boost gauge. And at the moment, we're trying to get, I think we had a couple of the bits to fit in here just to clean it up. Can't find the heater switch panel that goes at the top there. But we did find the radio, but this does have the gktech wheelwood hydraulic handbrake, and we tried to fit it in the radio, but it hits on all the reservoir and stuff. So we had the mad idea of just cleaning the thing up by cutting that boy right down the guts and see what happens. See if we can put it in there. The things you do, the streetcar looker. Then yeah, I've got all the interior bits and yeah, got to secure down. Oh no, you have already. The battery box is secured in there. Many things to do to clean this thing up. Some of the wiring needs to go over wiring. That'll be next week. But we could just get the interior looking nice. The old lobster tip. What do you even call these tips? They have a name? Nothing. Just a pie cut dump. Yeah, she's looking nice. Sounds so much better. After paint, I've got to decide on what wheels. Thinking of throwing the wheels I put on the 32, the Koya Wheels. I think them with good tyre sizes will sit on this nicely. But yeah, wait to see what we can do with suspension and the yeah, once it's painted. Yeah, let's cut this bad boy and see what happens. See if it blows up or something.
I gotta pull this thing off.
Oh, I won't clamp in there?
Nah, I'll pull it off and use the device.
Clamp on the mad angle. Hey, let's do this. Put that back there.
Oh, I can do that.
Sure. Alright, so we got it set up to cut the thing. It's definitely essential. You need the safety first. Get your mask on, get your glasses on. I'm scared.
Scared, it might blow up.
I'll hit the flux capacitor. Alright, go for it, Gary. Got it! She's hot. Oh, my Ministry of Sound CD. What was there a CD? I wonder if there was a CD in there. Oh, she hot. Yes! What was in there?
Oh no!
Take the wild guess.
Do you know what it was?
No, I don't know.
I don't know.
Michael Jackson.
Hottest hits of 2000?
Oh, it's so fresh. Oh, Ministry of Sound, Clubbers Guy. What is?
Is that a lip biz? Nah. Green Day?
I'm gonna get the other half, if you can get it out.
No.
You have to undo the clamp. Just tap it.
We'll just cut it.
That's funny as.
Oh.
Oh.
Hot as that?
You can see it. Is that Biggie Schmaltz? No, I don't know.
The Taurus B.I.G.
It is. I reckon we can glue it back together and try it again.
$5.
That's fine. That's probably worth fucking. It's probably worth heaps.
Yeah, it probably was. Yeah, $5, man.
Neck to neck. That's funny.
Yeah, sick. Let's put it in.
Yeah, let's put it in.
It'll fit straight
You
in.
still get 1 bolt or 2 bolts in that?
2 bolts.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
One maybe.
Yeah, don't worry about that. Biggie smile. Alright, got the little side brackets on there. Let's see if she fits.
Pristine.
Oh, it was all a dream. Does it fit on the right?
Yeah, there's already a bolt in that one.
I just better bolt it.
Test fit it. Don't.
Test fat. Oh. Would you look at that? Would you just look at it? That's Kang.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Wouldn't even know.
Where's the other little bit? This one here. Still gotta cut this.
Oh, you should have cut that. Okay.
Yeah, you gotta cut it like in half or something.
We'll just cut it right.
Oh, would it
there.
fit in? No.
No. Oh, no, definitely.
Behind
not.
the thing, no.
Could just
needs a
cut a. Legit could just cut a slot, basically like. I'll try that. Alright, let's do it.
So here at Cam's Customs, we cut the what do you even call it? Don't know.
It's under radio holder.
Yeah, some little radio holder. It did have the door on it, but yeah, we cut that boy pretty much in half.
Got a killer of tape.
Yeah, and then he's pretty much used my whole roll. $50 worth of electrical tape on it, but she looks kind of. You can ditch whatever that white thing is. So you don't want that. You don't want that on there. Oh, now she looks legit. Look at that. Look at that.
That was way.
Oh.
Yeah, my screwdriver.
Alright, we'll get back in an hour and a half on his got a screw in there.
Oh, I wonder if
Alright, hour and a half later, he's got that screw in.
Might have to cut them off.
What?
To do that.
Too deep.
Yeah,
send it, see what happens. Custom dashes here at Kang Gang Factory. Cam's Custom.
Yeah, I gotta just trim that.
Oh, yeah.
But that's perfect. Sick.
Chuck your phone in there, Mike.
Fucking
damn.
Oh.
Limiter bash. You'd be raw. That's sick.
Sick. Alright, I'll just cut it. Just that one thing.
Hey. We're back with a completed dash.
That's so funny.
3.5 hours. So, here I have the wheels for the 180. These are actually the Koya wheels that I put on the 32. We decided that these will sit the big Y body in the stance of the 180 much better. So I've just cleaned them up. They're actually looking really good. Put some better tyre sizes on them. Got the Genius on them. Tyre machine's working mint. So just giving them a nice clean up. Actually really happy with how they're coming up. They're almost identical copy to a Kawami. I'm not sure where these are made, if they're China or not. I have a feeling they're like a decent made wheel still. So they're going to look good on the way, so they'll do. Just going to have to get some bolt-on spaces to make them sit in that wide body. Out here, I've got the trailer. I'm going to go pick up the 180 soon. Back's just chilling in the sun, usual. I just sprayed up the crinkle black on the 33's rocker covers, and they're coming out so good. They were looking like shit at the start, but now after we put them in the sun, they've dried up a bit. It's coming out really good. And I've also got the cover, standard middle cover to cover up the score packs and stuff. So give them a bit more to dry rest of the day. Bring this 180 back. We can put some wheels on it, slam it, make it look hot boy AF. So, because it's been a rush, haven't got to have a look at the car. So now, it's just finished baking and... Oh! So much cleaner. So hot in here. Just finished baking. We've all been busy. Put the stress under OCD Melbourne. Killed it once again. Definitely much nicer in one colour, that's for sure. God damn! Can't wait to slam it on some wheels. Then we start pulling it off.
It's a bit soft, let it chill for like 10 minutes, yeah.
Yeah. Gangster. You want to come here? Fat boy. Just go back to the Kang Gang Factory. And I get to hear this thing is finishing her up. Hasn't even looked at the car yet. It's too cool. God damn. He's dropping off the panels tomorrow. Get the bumpers and everything. I'm gonna chuck these wheels on now. They're all cleaned up. And yeah, in for a long night and long morning tomorrow. Gonna run through the old promo vid. Yeah. So got the wheels on. And I decided while I'm at it, I might as well try and slam the sheet out of it. Don't have the front guard here. Picking out the front guard bumpers tomorrow, but I can guess off photos. So ended up dropping it 40mm on the rear. And now I shall drop it to see what it came out like. Oh, that's the ticket. Nailed it. Yeah, about a finger's gap, that's what you want. That's better. Obviously we won't know what the front's like till we got the guard on, but oh god, just went 20mm. Did I say? I can't remember. I went 40mm on the rear. Probably, we'll see if I can go a little bit more on the front or if the front's sitting nice in the guard. I don't want front scrubbage. Rear's 8 on the fiberglass panel, but that's much better. Might go a little bit more, we'll see. See what it's like once I've got the kit on too. Oh, now to the other side and yeet. It's back down to the factory after picking up the body kit. It's all sprayed up. Yeah. And also got some seat rails, so we can mount the seats. Power rails, same as what I got in the 33. They're sick. Thanks to Scott's Tires, they sent some goodies. Legend. Stickers and stubby holders, whatnot. But yeah, let's get this thing back together. Cam's been getting, trying to get the tail lights and stuff in. And what else we got? Yeah, front bar looks minty. These are what we're putting in, the Sparkos. Got the gktech mirrors, they're all painted too. OCD Melbourne, hit them up. Cheap boys. Yeah, guards and everything, all looking nice. The car is a little bit rough, like it probably looks better in video. But it is a track car, so send it. But it looks amazing. I'm happy. Let's get these trims, other things, window banner, stickers. Yeah. Got down here to the factory and she's cold this morning. Look at that frosty boy. God damn. Hasn't been this cold in a while. The old wags. Oh yeah. Neighbours' cars. Alright, let's get in here. What we got on today? Well, factory's looking good at the moment. These cars in here, the 86. God damn, this is going to go off soon to get all cleaned up. Just ordered the grill and a door because she's got a bit of rust on that door. I just picked up the door actually. And we've inquired about getting some dints fixed. It's got a couple of dints on the roof. I want to get all cleaned up to make this thing legit. I'm now thinking that Velo seat that I picked up is going to be perfect for this car. It's got that OG, the retro theme. This bucket, I've got no idea what it is, but it looks pretty shite. It's looking a bit worse for wear too, so I reckon I'll pull that out. And yeah, really looking forward to cleaning this thing up, getting it all fresh for whoever wins it. I don't think we're going to do it next month because I want to give this a good bit of time to be perfect, basically. It's too much of a rare nice car to rush. So yeah, this one's going to get done properly. We just drew the 33, and congratulations to Jared. He's organising pickup this week. He's from Queensland. Seems like a really nice, genuine dude. He has his own YouTube channel. He has 4-wheel drives and stuff, so suss out his turbo tractors, it's called. So that gets taken this week, which is sick. Free up some room for the next giveaway, which you'll see probably the next week or so. And this thing I didn't actually get to go through because we were sort of in a rush to get it all done. But yeah, quick run through on it. It's looking amazing now with all the panels back on, all the paint, the wheels sitting in the guards nicely with the fresh tyres. Yeah, window banner. What else? Yeah, it's all the towel, everything's back in. Looks gangster. The lobster dump that Cam did sits in the bar perfectly. Got all the stickers, tuned by Dr. Drift, the OCD Melbourne, Kang Gang of course, keep it Reet. The interior in this thing looks amazing. So we've got the genuine Sparkos in there. Cam's approved with the Vic Draft sticker. Cage, the bucket seats. I really like these seats. They're really comfy. I'm actually gonna be sad to see them go. So I picked these up for a good price. But, they're such good seats. So, what else? Yeah, you got the so these are the Kang Gang. So the prototype water temp gauges, digital water temp gauges, just sick. So we're going to get a huge batch of them, all coming in blue or red, which is awesome. We got the boost gauge all hooked up. We got all the trim back in, the heater. We got rid of the push start, so got all that in. Head unit cut in half, and the I can't remember what you call that little shelf, the like sunglass holder thing. Got that cut in half and put in. Yeah, all little bits and pieces back on. Actually looking like a quite respectable car. Battery tray is all done up and tied in there. The lid's just off because I need a charger to charge up the battery and stuff. Yeah, there's a few tiny things I want to do to just finishing off cleaning this car up, but it's pretty much good to go for the end of the month. It's a sick car though. As you saw, we did a little skid. Well, I might chuck that up, but this thing is very, very competitive, like good start-off car. And like I said, all it needs is some bigger injectors, and it'll make 300 kilowatt. But I'm really happy with how this car turned out.
Let's see, you probably want to get it going.